Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Neo4j on Debian 12. First, update the package list. Next, install OpenJDK 17. Continue by installing GNU-PG. Then, add the Neo4j GPG key. After that, add the official Neo4j repository to Debian's package sources. Next, update the repositories again. Now, install Neo4j from the official repository. Then, open the Neo4j configuration file. Proceed to modify the following lines. After making changes, save and close the file. Next, enable and start the Neo4j service. Continue by checking the service status. You should also verify if the HTTP port is listening. If port 7474 is open, the Neo4j web interface is available. Now, open a browser and go to the following URL. Then, log in with the default credentials. On your first login, Neo4j will prompt you to set a new password for security. Finally, you have successfully installed Neo4j Enterprise on Debian 12.